Yo, what's up, guys? It's Cameraman from Cameraman Gunpla Studio, and today I got here the Big O model kit from Moderoid, and this is one of a heck model kit that I bought about a year ago, and this is really big. And there we go. I really like the appearance of this, which captures the anime accuracy, and of course the height is really matters with this kit because this is a really tall kit, around 24 centimeters if I'm going to measure it. And it really tackles the aspects of the anime design, although I did some modification for this kit, especially for the hands. The hands are not the original Big O knuckles anymore. This is the um, Kotobukiya bootleg hands, the MSG hands, the big hands. So I much like to have this model, to have this kind of hand, because it's much appropriate for me. I don't know if for others this will be a cool modification, but for me, I much like this. So let's go with the um, model's aspect, or the build. The build is really cool, although this looks detailed or complicated to build. This kit is really easy to build. This is like a big high grade model from the Bandai kits, but yeah, the assembling process like the high grade Bandai kits, but the height, of course, is like a master grade. So if we're going to compare it, let's just make him stand normally like this. So if we're going to compare it with the size or height with the other big model that I have, so I got here the Giant Robo, so they're almost the same size, and we got here the Bandai Master Grade New Gundam. So New Gundam is a bit smaller or shorter than the Big O. So there we go, we got the size comparison. So let's start with the articulation for the kit. So the kit is really nice, very articulated, and what I just observed is the kit does had looseness on the waist joint that made it loose as time goes by, because Moderoid kits has this kind of defect on their plastic models. Sometimes it's very loose, sometimes it's very tight. So I'm not sure if I did sand the waist joint. I don't clearly remember, because what I observe right now is the joint is really loose. So there we go. For example, I will make some pose like that. It will flop down like that, as you can see, because of the weight. Okay, so the ball joint here becomes a bit loose now, so I can't pose him like this, because it tends to flop like that. Anyway, let's go with the articulation. So the head can move from side to side like that, and there's supposed to be a lighting device inside the head, but I didn't apply that because I don't have the batteries. So there, the head can also move up and down like that. So the eyes there is clear, just so you like to put the lights, it will reflect the lights from those eyes. And I did extend the shoulders, so supposed to be this should be fitting downwards on this crest here, but because I put the missile party device or the missile party gimmick, I just maintain those guns protruding on his chest. Okay, and supposed to be this abdomen piece here. There's an interchangeable part for that, so if you like to remove the missile party gimmick, you can remove that and replace it with closed abdomen hatches, but I much like the missile party to be deployed. Okay, so there we got the shoulder. It can raise up and down like that. It can also rotate 360 degrees. And for the elbows is very ridiculous. It can move like that, bend like that. And the hands, of course, the hands is now different. I just put super glue on those joints to make this fit or connect with each other. So the hands are like this. It's the bootleg version of the Moderoid MSG style of hand. So there, it can fold like that. And the fingertips has this kind of some mechanisms, like it can shoot bullets or beams, I don't know. So I much like it to be close fist all the time. Okay, for the waist is really problematic part on this kit. So it can rotate like that, but now it's very loose. It can also do some ab crunch like that. It can rotate like that also, and so we can make it like this. Okay. So for the legs, so the thigh here can move or raise up and down like that. It can move kick backward like that, kick forward like that also. So there we go. And there can the knees can bend like this only, not so much, but it's very loose now. I might fix this kit later. I might apply some joint tighteners on those joints. Also, the thigh can rotate like that, and for the feet, it's connected on ball joint, so it can move side to side, swivel like that. It can do some minimal plantar extend and plantar flex like that. Also, there's a gimmick inside of this toes that there would be a car inserted inside, so I didn't open it. I can't open. By the way, yes, it can open like that, but the car is there inside. Okay, so there, you can just close it. And so, like I said before, you can do some dynamic posing for that. Supposed to be, and there, and do some cool poses like this, and they're ready to punch enemies on the face. So thank you so much for watching this review of the Moderoid, the Big O model kit from the said anime. So see you next time.